Patay ba yung mesa? Ate, ituturo? Ituturo sa banda.
Congratulations to you, naka 10 years ka na, deserve. At hindi ko naman, sure ako na mahabang-mahaba ko ilalapin sa showbiz dahil dami mo naman kayang gawin. Sobrang talented mo. Kaya good luck sa mga ganang po in the future. Alam ko maraming assignments na mabibigay sa'yo. Hindi naman dyan ako masyadong bibo, kaya masyadong ipakita lahat. And sa concert mo, congratulations din.
Hey Darren, Tito P here. Just want to greet you. Congratulations on your 10th year as a performer here in the Lahat business. Congratulations this 100th month. In 10 years, you've accomplished so much that we're very proud of you. You are one of those guys I see so much potential to be. There's just a huge suicide in the Philippines. If not, you are already. But there's more to be done. And I know that you are hungry for that. So keep the hunger moving. Keep your sense of humor going. Keep that wonderful heart of yours beating all the time. Because I think it's your best asset. Lahat ka namin, and God bless you.
Hi Darren! Ako, papalapit na yung celebration ng yung 10th anniversary. Alam mo, people come to the showbiz, napakaraming dumarating, yung mga singers and artists sa industriya nito. Pero ilan lang yung nakakaabot ng 10 years and you're one of them. Alam ko, simula pa lang ito ng mas magaganda pang mangyayari sa career ko. Kaya always keep your feet on the ground. Pagpatuloy mo lang yung professionalism mo, pagpatuloy mo lang yung pagkakabuling tao, at yung excellence mo as an artist, you're one of a kind. You know what? I'm so excited to perform with you. Nag-dream sa kalanin ako. I know it will be a huge success. And alam ko, sigurado ako na maraming mga fans mo ang susuportahan mo at nakaramdaman mong pagmamahal na sa araw na yan. Kaya naman,
it's nice to meet you and sana you're doing great and enjoy your vacation here in the Philippines.
Thank you very much, Nicole. Nice to meet you.
thank you, Nicole.
Very beautiful. Ito naman sa mga search na hindi mo napili. Pakilala ka na.
Ganda rin si Mami.
Hello, Sam. Sana mag-enjoy kayo ni Arwen and...
Ito ba acting eh? Ayun. Tagalin mo yung salamin mo, babe. Yung acting talaga, yung paano mo sasabihin doon sa tao mo? Sorry, meron ka ng iba.
Sasabihin nyo, naiinlove ako.
Ay! Kasi yun good luck sa boba. Ito ang lapit ko. Imagine mo lang, pumunta ka sa isang sitwasyon na gano'n. Acting workshop po. Sabihin mo, sorry, may mala. Paano, bilang ikaw si Ayon, paano mo yun sasabihin ko niya sa totoong buhay?
Sorry,